yet another eventful month at the largest private university in West Bengal. From corporate networking, insightful lecture sessions to marvelous achievements, there are several valuable additions in the repertoire of Brainware University. The Department of Management, in collaboration with C2C, organized an HR symposium on the future of work, which was attended by top industry leaders from Lux, Vodafone Idea, Century Fly, Vikram Solar, and others. Now, from the HR meet, let us now take a look into the annual Tech Fest exhibition that celebrates the innovative spirit and technical skills of students. The Tech Fest witnessed a number of events, including a hands-on Gen AI workshop and hackathon on Intel DevCloud. In yet another tech-based event, our aspiring engineers mastered over machine building to delving deep into artificial intelligence at RoboRich. At Brainstar 2K24, the management games, the business acumen of the brains were tested. The event organized by the School of Management and Commerce included business photography, analytics quest, zombie escape, and more. Now let us take a look at the annual short film competition, Deep Focus, organized by the Cine Club. This year's competition saw an impressive array of 170 short films, each vying for recognition across 8 dynamic categories. In another enthralling cultural event, Brainware University celebrated the 163rd birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore with the publication of the book Celebrating Tagore, a brainchild of our Honorable Chancellor Falguni Mukhopadhyay that provides an analytical take on Tagore's song. Amid the events and activities, the placement record of the university remained intact. Our students got placed in various reputed organizations, including General Diagnostics, Novo Nordisk, Escag Sanjeevani, Jana Small Finance Bank, and others. In order to enhance the industry-academia relationship, Brainware University inked various MOUs with institutions like Kasama University College of Health Sciences of Zambia, Vital Waste, Sawood Foundation, and Lenskart. The achievements of our students extend far beyond the classrooms, from sporting arena to academic platforms side by side. So come, let us take a look into the major achievements this month. Students from the Department of Media Science and Journalism are out with the Remal edition of MSJ Chronicles. In a remarkable achievement, 2 of our BCom students, Anisha De and Shohini Poddar, cleared the Company Secretary Foundation exam. From the astounding academic achievement, now let us move to the field where our students clinched the first position in the mixed doubles at the Inter-College Badminton Tournament Ignacia 2024, hosted by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Institute of Management. Our BBA and MBA students secured top positions in various competitions at the Magna Fest hosted by Adamas University. Our student Ikshita Sheel garnered a huge recognition with her bronze medal at the first SIKF State Karate Championship 2024. She also won the gold medal at the 20th Kolkata District Karate Championship 2024. Another bronze medal was secured by Deepranil Bhattacharjee at the 26th West Bengal State Karate Championship 2024 in Senior 84 kg male category. In another unique achievement, our LLM student Abhimanyu Das got Wall of Fame and secured the ranks of the top 30 photographers at the prestigious 4th International Exhibition of Painting, Sculpture and Photography, hosted by the esteemed Russia-India Cultural Exchange. Like always, this time also, our students had educational and social learning sessions beyond the classrooms. Students from the Department of Psychology embarked on an eye-opening field trip to Sitong, where they explored the intricacies of human behavior in its most natural form. The Brainware University Communication Club recently organized an outreach program for the adorable minds of our local community near number 1 Railgate, Kazipara, Barashat, where 13 talented youngsters aged 6 to 12 poured their hearts out into drawing their vision of a pollution-free world. In yet another heartwarming initiative, a clothes donation drive was led by the NSS volunteers of the university in collaboration with Full Moon Foundation NGO Our incredible NSS volunteers at Brainway University joined hands for a heartwarming cause at Barashat Government Medical College and Hospital. Their selfless act of donating blood is a testament to the power of community and compassion. Now let us come back to the campus and quickly take a glance at the events that took place in the university last month. Dr. Dimanjan Banerjee, consultant neuropsychiatrist at Apollo Multispecialty Hospitals, was our guest speaker at the seminar on prevention of gender-based violence in the workplace. Brainway University's Department of Computational Sciences proudly hosted CircuitCraft 2K24, where our students showcased their next-gen gadgets and groundbreaking innovations. In an exciting session, the cast and crew of Khelaর ঘর বাড়তে লেগেছে shared their incredible journey with our media science and journalism students. The Department of English organized 3rd National Conference on Text, Performance and Interpretation. Arya Chaudhary, the Regional Manager of Go-to-Market and Sales Development at Adani Wilmar, spoke to our students on the FMCG industry and the incredible career opportunities within it. Before wrapping up for this month, let us take a look at the research activities of the month. Dr. Shamul Alam and Joydeep Kundu from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering published in the prestigious Alexandria Engineering Journal with an impact factor of 6.8. In a collaborative effort by the Department of Agriculture, publication in the Scopus Indexed African Journal of Biological Sciences. In yet another related news, Dr. Momita Kundu from the Department of Pharmacy scored an impressive impact factor of 37.3 in a SCIE indexed Springer journal. Another marvelous achievement came with Dr. Devayan Bhomik from the Mechanical Engineering Department, who has been honored with the Best Paper Award at the International Conference on Sustainable Green Chemical Technologies. So that's a wrap for this month. Before ending, we congratulate all the Brainway Vidyalanka Scholarship winners and extend a warm welcome to them. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.